If GOG Galaxy is showing a communication error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple fixes that solve the problem for many Windows users. This issue is often caused by corrupted network routing data or an IPv6 conflict between your internet connection and GOG's servers. So we're going to clear the network cache first, and then disable IPv6 if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to flush your DNS cache. This clears out old or corrupted network information that may be blocking GOG Galaxy from connecting properly. On your Windows computer, click the search bar and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now that command prompt is open, type ipconfig flush DNS exactly as shown and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This step is important because it resets the local network information your computer uses to reach online services. Once that's done, restart your computer. A full restart helps apply the network changes properly and gives GOG Galaxy a clean start when it tries to reconnect to its login and sync servers. After your PC comes back on, open GOG Galaxy and check whether the communication error is gone. If you're still seeing the problem, the next fix is to disable IPv6 on your active internet connection. Some internet service providers and network setups can cause GOG Galaxy to have trouble communicating when IPv6 is enabled, so turning it off can resolve the connection issue. To do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. To open the Run box, type ncpa.cpl and click OK. This will open the Network Connections window. Now find your active connection, whether that's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then right-click it and select Properties. A new window will open with a list of network items. Scroll through the list until you find Internet Protocol version 6, also called TCP IPv6. Once you find it, uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6. After that, click OK to save the change, then close the window. This disables IPv6 for that connection and can often stop the communication error from happening in GOG Galaxy. Finally, restart GOG Galaxy and see if it connects normally. In many cases, one of these 2 steps will fix the issue right away. If not, repeating the DNS flush after a restart or checking your network adapter settings can sometimes help as well. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the GOG communication error quickly and easily. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another GOG or PC issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.